I heard that Vinted did not like electronics. Even though they allow you to list them, they also take them down, so I'm intrigued. I was actually on TikTok Live. I had one of my supporters ask me to create a video showing you guys exactly how to list pods on Vinted. Now, I've been doing Vinted for probably about 4 days now. We're gonna actually put this to the test. And also, if you have not already seen my eBay videos of getting unbanned, my Macari videos of getting unbanned, you know for a fact that I don't list reps, I list clones, products that don't have any logos, just to avoid copyright and banning issues. So these should definitely be able to stay on Vinted, right? Well, if you look on any Reddit theme or any Reddit thread, if you look on any type of forum discussion, you could see that there is a little speculation that Vinted actually doesn't allow you to list these, and also that they don't want you to sell electronics in general. Now, when I go ahead and look on Vinted, I see electronics, so I'm not sure where the misconception is, but we're gonna actually dive right into it. And we're gonna do all of this in this video. We're gonna list, we're gonna also do our research, and we're gonna make sure that we figure out exactly how to keep these up. Because just like you probably already see, I am somebody on this channel that takes pride in helping you guys learn how to make money work for you. I don't always have the answers, but I find them out. Now, we're gonna look at Vinted AirPods right now. When I type this in, I do see a few pods, right? I see some headphones. Now, my first impression was a little skeptical. Okay, because all the listings look different. You have one where it's just a black top, then you have another one where it is the box, then you have the pods. There's a bunch of different variations. And how do we figure out which ones we're gonna actually do, right? Well, we're gonna actually take a little book from what we learned on other platforms. And that's like the simple resolution. Anytime you're starting a new platform, use what have already worked so that you're not overcomplicating the process, okay? So, I have a few little sectors that I always go by with every platform, and it seems to always work. So we're gonna do the same thing. First, we're gonna go over exactly what our 3 categories that we're gonna check off with our listing are gonna be. We're gonna unbox the pods so you can see exactly what they look like, and then we're gonna list, okay? So number 1, we want to make sure they don't have any Apple logo. So anybody out there that is still feeding into the hype of the replicas of the Apple logos and trying to make it look real, listen, the gig is up, because no matter what happens, you're going to end up finding yourself with chargebacks one way or another. Let's say that you have 5 in your possession. You sell those 5, you make $500. Great. You're going to want to do it again, right? So let's say you do it again. You sell 5 more. Now you got 10 out. Now, out of those 10, law of averages says that one customer is going to be upset because they're going to feel like the quality isn't what it should be. And then they're probably going to take it to Apple. Now, when they take it to Apple, then Apple's going to say it was fake. They're going to get mad because you try to make it seem like it was real. They're going to complain to the platform. Now you are now having a bullseye on your account. You don't want that. You want to try and tell customers what to expect, right? You want to tell customers to inspect what you expect, and it does not matter if you price them at $60, $50, or even $40. We want to make sure we are honest with the customer to avoid any of these issues. Now, we also want to make sure it's a fully functional product. And of course, at least a 60% profit margin. We want to make bread, okay? Now, account behaviors, we want to make sure we have some sales history. We want to make sure we have some mixed listings. We want to space out the uploads. We don't want to list pods over and over and over again, spamming them. And we want to avoid bulk listings, keep shipping consistent, which means when we do sell them, we want to sell them and actually push those products out without having customers have to wait so they can complain. Next, on the listing itself, we want to be real product photos, no Apple comparisons, no Apple boxes, and we want to make sure we're using unbranded in the branded section. Now, when it comes to what section to list these at, with Vinted, it's going to be a little different than Macari and eBay, so we're going to have to double check on that, okay? Now, with that being said, we have to make sure that we're not selling these as authentic. We want to also make sure we follow the same similar listing template that we've already put in place. So if we go ahead and dissect what these listings look like on here, you can even see, like, I hate the fact that I can't see exactly what has sold on this platform. That bothers me, but I do think we can gain enough intel from these listings to be able to make them coexist, blend, and most importantly, stay up, right? People, I said AirPods. I didn't say Gen 2. I didn't say any Maxes. I just said AirPods. Now, I have 3 different listings I'm looking at currently. One with a bent up box and half of the pods showing on the on the picture, the first picture. This person is selling it for $21, new without tags, TWS. So these are exactly what we're trying to go for, some type of generic look, right? These are generic, okay? The problem is they don't have no reviews, so I don't believe they even sold this. It looks like they were last seen yesterday, so they may have listed this yesterday. Then we have another one, AirPod Pro, first gen, $26.95. All of these pictures, and look, it says, designed by Apple, okay? So this person is selling these as Apple, but for $26.95? Huh. Now that's interesting to me. Why? That shows me that obviously pricing has something to do with these things up. Now we have notice canceling, literally says notice. Now, this to me seems like this platform is very flexible. I don't know what y'all be talking about or what people are talking about, because he spelled noise canceling wrong. And he's selling it for $74.20. No reviews. This person was definitely selling fast. Okay. Or listing fast. That is bad. That's a bad one. All right. So the reason I'm looking at all of this is because I think that it's really interesting, especially when we are coming from platforms that are really, really strict like eBay and Mercari, that this doesn't seem too strict. I don't know what you guys are talking about. We're going to see though, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to actually have to hit sell now. Now, I don't want to put any pictures yet because we're going to unbox these right now and then take the pictures and then list, okay? All right, these are the pods. Now, I'll stand up and show you guys a little bit more so you guys can actually see, right? These are the pods. These are exactly what they look like. Now, when we take these out of the plastic, and obviously we don't want to sell these with plastic on it, we put the plastic on these to ensure that the box stays crystal clear white or crystal white or just white, like just white, okay? Now, when you're opening a box, obviously we don't sell any cheap quality products. So again, this is not going to have the customer think this is Apple because it has no Apple verbiage, no logo, nothing Apple, but it gives you a similar experience. And one of the best things that I could say is that these are just like the replicas inside the box. Now, I literally already have one out, so I'm not going to take this one out. I have this one, and this has never been used. This is exactly what you get, and this has all real speakers, no fake speakers, no mesh, just covering over the plastic. These are real speakers, and this matters. Now, we'll be able to sell this. It has no Apple, and I want to specify no Apple anything, okay? No design by Apple, but these pods act as if just like Apple, okay? Now, the next one is going to be the Maxes. So these are the Maxes. This is black, okay? They come black, gray, red, silver, green, okay? This is exactly how these come. Take these out, right? Now, I usually take the plastic off of here before I actually ship, and sell, okay? It also has the leather casing, obviously, but this is exactly what we have for the customer. All real speakers. It has the bezel right here as well, and then it also has the power button on right here. These sell well too. Very, very high quality. It doesn't feel cheap. It also has the speaker. These all connect just like they are the real Apple thing. These have a connection just like how they connect to the iPhone. Hence why we want to sell these, because when customers get it in their hands, they're going to be happy with this. We won't have any chargebacks because when they see the quality, they'll love it. Everything from the foam, everything from the speaker, and everything from the durability is exactly what we want. Okay, so let's actually get back into the listing aspect, okay? So the title, it has to look boring. And I say this all the time, we don't want to be flashy. We also don't want to be uniform. We don't want to do the, oh, made in the US or coming from the US or ships fast. Like, no, we want to make it boring, but also simple, but also informative. When it comes to the pictures, I just took some pictures in the back, as you see these are right here. You want to make sure it's a neutral background. So in this case, I made it on a wood finish background. You want to make sure it's real products, no Apple comparisons, all of that. And then when it comes to description, we're going to let it know what it is. We're going to let them know, what it is, what it includes, basic specs, shipping plus returns. And the correct approach will be using unbranded or using your own brand name. Now, we already know what my brand is, wesply.com. So if you want to get wholesale products, you can go to wesply.com, go over here, and then you can go ahead to audio. Audio is where we list all of our products. When it comes to the headphones, you have the pods, which are really cheap, $14 each. If you buy wholesale, you can get 12, 6, or 4. 12 is the best value. You make more money getting 12. That's only $168. Or you can go ahead and get the maxes. Now the maxes, $27 wholesale. And again, you can get any color. We have red, we have blue, we have green, we have gray. And then you can, of course, get it in 12, 6, okay? 12 or 6. The more you get, the less you pay. And that is exactly why I love wholesale. Now, when it comes to the title, we're gonna put let's just start with the Gen 2, okay? Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on the title. So we're gonna put wireless in ear. Let's do headphones. And then Bluetooth. And then it says describe your item, so we're going to tell them what it is. Wireless headphones. I want to put noise cancellation, but I don't think we need to be that descriptive. Wireless headphones connects to all devices. All feature, I don't even want to say that. Connects to all devices. We'll say fast shipping. AAA quality. Okay. When it comes to category, electronics, let's try to just headphones. I don't know much about Vinted as far as their categories yet. I don't feel like I'm that seasoned, but when I type in headphones, it's loading a little too much. Okay, there we go. Headphones, earbuds, perfect. Brand, we're gonna put our brand, okay? And then we're going to put condition, new with tag. Or we could say new without tag. But it does have original packaging. Then for this, we'll put white. And then for price, I'm putting $50 first. I'm not willing to go too small. Package size, I guess we'll say small. And then that's it. Now, when it comes to the pictures, and I want to make this clear, I did end up putting pictures, guys, and the pictures that I chose were neutral pictures that were boring but also descriptive. And that's what I would recommend for all of you guys as well. We don't need to try and spruce it up, and especially when I'm first testing out this platform, I don't want to take the pictures. Now, I'll be honest, I did take pictures when I was live the other day when we just created this together, and they sent me an email and said that the pictures were flagged for or from another creator, so you can't take pictures from another Vinted listing. It seems to trigger something. So anyway, we have our own pictures, and as you see, we have the regular box, the back of the box, then we have the box with the pods, then we have the description or the verbiage on the box, then we have the overhead of the product, and then we have the pods, me looking at different speakers on the headphones, and then we should be good to go ahead and upload. And again, I believe this is going to stay up because of not only the title or description, but the pictures are very similar, but also very, very descriptive. Okay, now I've put some products to where they are not able to be seen on my store, because I want to make sure that this is not being affected by any of these products as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the maxes. So we're gonna do max over the ear wireless headphones. Yeah, brand new. I'm going to be even less descriptive in this one. Never used. Just fast shipping. I don't want fast shipping. Okay. Usually I wouldn't even recommend listing these all together. I just personally feel like listing these at the same time is going to make it a little hot. I'm gonna be honest, but we're gonna see. We're going to see. New without tags. This is going to be black. We're gonna list these. Let's list these. Let's do this. Let's list these for the same price. I want to see if pricing has anything to do, or should I list it higher if I'm trying to see? No, let's list, because I also want to keep the account. Oh, so now we're gonna go ahead and do some more pictures. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload some more pictures. Okay. Okay, the pictures are now uploaded. So now we're gonna make sure we order these correctly. And again, picture of the box, box open, box overhead, and then the product, and also the bezel and the power button. So now we upload, and then we should be good. All right, so that is how we're gonna list. Now we just have to see if they stay up, and in my opinion, to be completely honest, they will stay up. Okay guys, it's later in the day, and I just want to say this still is up, but I actually saw something, and I really want to talk about it. Remember when I said that you are not able to actually list other people's pictures? Well, this shows, right? I have some hidden products because it says it seems certain photos in your listing may be someone else's copyrighted image, which goes against our catalog rules. So you definitely don't want to copy photos on this platform. And that's okay. That's okay. We could have took the photos from eBay and brought it here. Instead, we decided, matter of fact, that's what I did. Ain't that right? That's what I did. That's interesting. So we got to take our own photos. Wow. Wow. That is interesting, guys. Very, very interesting, because I believe this one and this one, I actually did take the photos from eBay. I did. Wow. Okay. So they don't like stock photos, and I think that's exactly what it is. But again, our pods are still up. We're good. And again, I'm not doing no fake ass video where I act like I have all the results right now. No, it's going to come, and I'm going to do a part 2. But for right now, make sure you subscribe so you can stay updated on this journey. And again, I appreciate everybody that has watched. Make sure that you guys go ahead and continue to make money work for you. Don't work for the money. And I will see you guys in the next video. Comment below if you have any questions, and I can't wait to talk to you guys later. Peace.